Hello beauties, welcome to Women Hairstyles. How are you guys doing? We have this gorgeous way for you to create a modern and jaw dropping haircut. This haircut is a timeless look that works well with almost every hair type, and it's a style that will always add shine and show off the movement in the cut. Take a good look on this haircut. You can see how this is one of the hairstyles that implies that we will say that agrees that it doesn't imply any restrictions on hairstyle choices. So you can pick any hairstyle that flatters your face, your hair type, and your personality. Have it at the back of your mind that shorter hairstyles allows for more volume in body to combat the hair, and they always help in achieving a vibe, of a youthful looking hair. So we have this style definitely that will help to highlight this beautiful example that women want, because there is a reason why this course, especially course of the 90s, are really trendy. They are hairstyles that really allows for a more youthful advancing style. You can see how the style is really beautiful and accentuate your face shape and add those body form to always keep you looking youthful and fun. Please watch this video to the end, okay? Don't forget that short hairstyles moves here, and here in Winnie Style, the thing is best of short natural haircut that is sleek. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Please stay up and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.